193% return. Back-tested across 2 full years of market volatility, and not a single manual trade. While most retail traders were blowing accounts, this system was compounding. I combined 2 powerful TradingView indicators into one automated system. Then I optimized it using Google Gemini 3 Pro model. No coding degree, no $5,000 course, no guessing. And yes, this was built entirely inside TradingView using algorithmic trading logic. I am going to build this strategy with you from scratch using Gemini 3 Pro. I'll show you how to set up the indicators, how to scrape the code, and how to use AI to find the leak in the system that most traders miss. We are going to take a raw VStop indicator and a black flag trend system, fuse them together, and then we are going to hack the code live to fix a $3,000 error. The prompts and tools I'm using are linked in the bio. You will need Gemini 3 Pro for this because the logic we are about to script is too complex for basic chatbots. Let's get to work. Step 1. Open your chart. We are trading gold. Now, pay attention to the time frame. I am using the 45-minute time frame. Why? Because the 15-minute is too noisy for this specific combination, and the 1 hour is too slow. The 45-minute is the sweet spot for gold volatility. Indicator 1, ATR VStop. Go to Indicators. Search for ATR VStop. Now, do not leave this on default. The default settings will drain your account. Open the settings. Go to Inputs. I want you to change the length to 22 and the multiplier to 3.0. This specific setting is what filters out the wicks, those nasty spikes that hit your stop loss before the market goes your way. Now, we need the brain of this indicator. Hover over the indicator name. Click the curly brackets. Click inside the code box. Control A to select all. Control C to copy. Switch to Gemini 3 Pro, link in bio. We are using the layering method. Type this. I am providing the source code for the ATR VStop indicator. Analyze the logic. Do not write a strategy yet. Just confirm you understand how the multiplier affects the stop loss. Gemini now understands our risk parameters. This is crucial for later. Now for the second layer. The trend confirmation. Search for Black Flag FTS, free trading system. Add it.
Generate by AI.
Look at your chart. It's a mess, right? You have background colors, shapes, ribbons. It's impossible to see the price. We need to clean this for our eyes, even though the code remains the same. Open Settings, Style. Uncheck bar color. Uncheck background. Uncheck all the little signal shapes except the main trend ribbon. Now you can clearly see green is up, red is down. Simple. Click the curly brackets on the black flag indicator. Select all. Copy. Back to Gemini. Prompt. Here is the source code for the second indicator, Black Flag FTS. Analyze the trend detection logic. Confirm when you are ready to merge this with the VStop. Now Gemini holds both systems in its short-term memory. It knows the volatility math, VStop, and the trend math, Black Flag. Now we combine them. This is where the magic happens. We are going to write the master script. Copy the prompt from my bio, or type this exactly. Act as a senior Pine Script developer. Create a strategy that combines these 2 indicators. Rules. Long entry, price is above VStop green and black flag is green. Short entry, price is below VStop red and black flag is red. Exits, close long when VStop turns red. Close short when VStop turns green. Hardcode the VStop settings to 22 and 3.0. Risk management. Important. Set the strategy properties to use 100% of equity, but enter trades with calculated risk. Look at the strategy tester. Net profit, $3,302. Max drawdown, 8.46%. Profit factor, 1.19. Most YouTubers would stop here. They would say, look, 32% profit, buy my course. But we are going to dig deeper. We are going to find the problem. I want you to look at the breakdown of this strategy. Look at the long column versus the short column. Long trades, net profit, $6,171. Profit factor, 1.85. Win rate, 47%. This side of the strategy is printing money. It's incredible. Short trades, net profit nigh $3,016, profit factor 0.67, win rate 28%. Do you see the problem? The short trades are eating half of our profits. We made $6,000 buying gold, but we gave back $3,000 trying to short it. Why? Because gold is in a macro bull market. Shorting a rocket ship is a bad idea. We don't need to accept this. We are going to use Gemini 3 Pro to hack the code and remove the short logic entirely. The fix prompt: go back to Gemini. Type, I have analyzed the backtest. The short trades are unprofitable. Modify the script to be a long-only strategy. Remove all short entry conditions. If a sell signal occurs, simply close the long position. Do not open a short position. This is why I use Gemini 3 Pro. It understands long-only logic without breaking the exit rules. It knows we still need the VStop turning red to exit our trade, but it won't open a new sell order. By making that one tweak, removing the short logic, we are theoretically taking this strategy from a $3,300 profit to a $7,100 profit. That would double our return to nearly 70%. This is the secret to algorithmic trading. It's not just about finding magic indicators. It's about looking at the data, identifying the leaks like those bad short trades, and using AI to patch them up. Recap: use the 45-minute time frame on gold. Use ATR VStop 22 3.0 Black Flag FTS. Use Gemini 3 Pro to combine them. Crucial step: switch it to long-only mode to avoid fighting the bull market. I have uploaded the long-only version of this script to my page, linked below. Go grab it, test it on Bitcoin. It might work for shorts there, and let me know the results. Now, before you click off, I want to show you something that is going to blow your mind. Look at this screenshot right here. Over 70% return. In just 1 month, I took the strategy we just built, the VStop and Black Flag, and I added a third secret layer, the Smart Money Concepts SMC indicator. I used Gemini 3 Pro to fuse the SMC logic with our trend system, and the results went from good to absolute insanity. We are talking about sniper entries that catch the exact bottom and sell the exact top, giving me a 70% return in less than 30 days. I am planning to release the full tutorial on how to build this 70% strategy in my next video. I'll share the exact SMC indicator I used, the Gemini prompt, and the source code. But here's the deal. This information is too powerful to just give away to everyone. If you want me to drop this 70% strategy video next week, I need you to do 3 things right now. Smash the like button. We need to hit 500 likes on this video. Share this video. We need 100 shares to unlock the next part. Comment below. Tell me specifically, I want the SMC strategy, and tell me why you need it. Are you trying to pass a prop firm challenge? Are you growing a small account? Let me know. If we hit those targets, I will upload the full 70% SMC tutorial next week. So go hit that like button, share it with a trader friend, and I'll see you on the profit side. Peace.